Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to integrate ClickUp and Clockify. So first thing that you will do is simply go to one of your workspace, and now you can just simply go ahead and click on your profile over here in the top left corner, and you will have a pop-up over here, and go for the apps and go for the app center over here. Now after that, you could just simply go ahead and select time tracking over here down below, or you could use the search bar over here on the top right and search for Clockify over here and select it. Now from here, just simply click on install. Now just simply select your browser over here. So I have it on my Chrome, and after that just simply select add to Chrome, and after that just simply select add extension. And after that, guys, it will redirect you to Clockify, and just simply log in into an account. And if you don't have an account, you can just simply create one and just simply start the process. And after that, guys, you can just simply go ahead and click on enable timesheet mode over here in order for you to connect it. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we'll do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.